How to generate a color palette in Adobe Illustrator using 3 simple steps. Step 1, we are going to grab any image, right? I'm going to just Control C on this image, that's copy. And I'm going to go back to Illustrator and Control V, right? So step 2 is with the image selected, you're going to go to Object, select Object, then come down to Rasterize. So you want to make sure the image is rasterized. And once you select rasterized, just leave everything as they are and select OK. Right. Step 3, final step. We're going to, with the image selected. Okay, the image is selected. We're going to go to same object. Right. But now we're going to select Create Object Mosaic. Right. So we're going to leave all the settings as they are and just select OK. And instantly it's going to create 100 rectangles, right, of all the colors that make up this picture, right? So all you just need to do finally is just ungroup, Shift Control G, then you have access to each of the boxes and you can just use the eyedropper tool to get any color of your choice. If you found this useful, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more graphic design content like this. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers.